that you bought today. Sitting by the fire for hours and hours while I listen to you play your love songs all night long for me, only for me. Come to me now and rest your head for just 5 minutes. Everything is done. Such a cozy room. The windows are illuminated by the evening sun. Shines through the fiery gems for you, only for you. Our house is a very, very, very fine house with 2 cats in the yard. Life used to be so hard. Now everything is easy 'cause of you. And our la 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 is a very, very, very fine house with 2 cats in the yard. Life used to be so hard. Now everything is easy 'cause of you. And I'll light the fire while you place the flowers in the vase that you bought today.
All right. Drum roll, please. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present the keyboard of the future, the Tune Machine. Now, if y'all gonna sound like a Wheel of Fortune audience, let's at least get it right. The Tune Machine. Yeah, Pat Sajak, be proud. Yeah, folks, you're looking at the most sophisticated keyboard in the world, because this baby can make the sound of anything, from a cat's meow to a lion's roar, a pistol shot to a world war. Now, come on, somebody name something up here. Make it hard as you want, anything.
How about 19 apathetic old men with a marked propensity toward procrastination and sloth?
Okay, and let's have them all roller skating in their boxer shorts.
That's sloth if I ever heard it. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Well, of course you're impressed. I told you can make every sound in the world, didn't I?
Ooh, Vats, I got one. You said can make every sound in the whole world, right?
Right.
To make it make every sound in the whole world at the same time, but backwards.
Well, I never tried that before. I don't.
Come on, Fat.
You can do it. You can do it.
I guess you just press all the buttons at the same time like this. Wait, what's going on here? Wait, hey. Oh, no. Oh. Jiminy crickets, all the lights went out. Duke, you made me break it.
This is really simple. All you have to do is turn it off and then turn it back on again.
Oh, yeah, that always works. Here, let me try that.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
Hey, it's working.
All right.
But wait, it's stuck.
What?
It seemed to be stuck on this cheesy organ sound. I hate this cheesy organ.
Glorious.
Oh,
cheese, tempting and delightful.
Oh, y'all get out of here.
Hey, Fats, does this mean we have to change our name to the Rogaford Explosion?
Explosion.
Oh, you guys. Look, ladies and gentlemen, sorry, it looks like we're not going to be able to continue with the show. We're going to take a little break and see if we can get this thing fixed and be back with you in a little while, okay?
Just a cheese spread minute, Fats, and postpone my great ventriloquism act? No way. Hey, get that organ cranked up. We have a contract to perform.
Rolf, if you didn't notice, I said I need to fix this thing right now.
Our contract says you have to play right now.
But Rolf, I said...
3, 2,
Rolf.
1.
Rolf.
Where did you get that fabulous organ sound, Fats?
I'm gonna get you for this, Rolf.
Why don't you climb back in your petri dish, you microscopic mold spore? Hello, hello, oh, no. Yeah, we gotta go. I gotta get rid of this guy right here, that is. Hello, hello, oh, baby. Yeah, we gotta go. Every night and day, I gone to hell. I found someone to describe the stars with a G and a I. But I can't say near just, you know why. It's that hello, yeah. Oh, I don't know. Sometimes the words of this artist.
Hey, Earl, I got an idea. Let's ask Fats to play a solo for us. Tell him it's in the contract.
And don't forget to sing. Hang on, Snoopy, Snoopy, hang on. Hang on, Snoopy, Snoopy, hang on. Snoopy lives in a very bad part of town. Oh, everybody try to put my Snoopy down. Oh, Snoopy, I don't care what your daddy do. Oh, come on, Snoopy girl, I'm in love with you. Come on, Snoopy. Come on, come on. Come on, Snoopy. Come on, come on. Come on, Snoopy. Come on, come on. Make it feel real good. Come on, come on. Yeah, now sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it, sing it.
There she was, just walking down the street, singing do-I-dee-dee-dee-dum, dee-dee-doo, clapping her hands and stomping her feet, singing do-I-dee-dee-dee-dum, dee-dee-doo. She walked on to my door, she walked on to my door, then we kissed a little more. Now we're together nearly every single day, singing do-I-dee-dee-dee-dum, dee-dee-doo, laughing and singing, and that's how it's gonna stay, singing do-I-dee-dee-dee-dum, dee-dee-doo. She looks good, she looks fine, she looks good, she looks fine, then one day she'll be mine.